welcome to my vlog. It is week, I don't know what week it is, but it's March 8th. Today, March 8th, the Mr. and I make 26 years together. 26 years ago, on this day, the Mr. asked if I wanted to be his girlfriend. Does that make sense? Yes. Yesterday we ended up celebrating our anniversary with the kids. We went to Target and we ate at Kickin' Cajun because my kids really wanted to eat Kickin' Cajun seafood. So we celebrated that anniversary day together as a family. Right now I'm making me something to eat. I love this. If you guys haven't tried this, try it. I found this at Walmart only, not at Target, just at Walmart. I'm just cooking it here. That's going to be my lunch. I had my coffee today. It was delicious. It was delicious. Let me show you guys my coffee setup. You guys, I am doing next level. So I got me some, I ordered me more Nespresso pods or capsules. And my sugar-free French vanilla is down. It's running low. So yesterday when I went to Target, I bought me more. I bought me a regular, I bought another sugar-free French vanilla and just a regular vanilla. And Nespresso has a prepaid package, so I can send back my, they're gonna recycle the used capsule. And then we bought more Starbucks virtual capsules. Yeah, I've been loving my coffee. So I'm gonna have something to eat right now on Netflix. I'm watching Ginny and Georgia. I'm watching it on Netflix, so I'm gonna have something to eat and then maybe I'll jump back on. We'll see. It's crazy today. Look at you guys. Wow. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Happy rainy Tuesday. Right now it doesn't even look like it's just cloudy. It's the light. Oh my goodness. This lighting is fooling you. Look at outside, you guys. Look at outside. So it has been a wet Tuesday. Oh my goodness. Right now it's just 8 a.m. It looks like it's 5 p.m. already. But I'm gonna change. I ended up just throwing on a sweater because I have my pajamas on. I'm gonna change, freshen up, maybe have my coffee, and who knows what we're doing today. So just got an emergency alert on our phone pop up for our area where we live for flash flood. Flash flood warnings isn't in effect for this area until 9:30 a.m. so it's not done yet. I'm still in my pajamas, but I'm gonna make me my coffee right now. Today is such a lazy day. So today, I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm gonna use, let's see what's today. I just opened it. Caramel cookie today, so let's pop that in and just you heard that pop. Push. Oh, I didn't want to use this cup. But anyways, I just got this cup recently. When did I get it? Sunday. We took a ride to Target. So it's a black matte cup. So I ended up changing my cup because I feel like this is insulated, meant for cold. So I didn't want the hot coffee to go into it straight out of the machine. So I just switched it so it can cool off this way. And so now I'm going to make my frother. So this is this removable. So I'm gonna make my sweet cream cold foam. And I'm still in my pajamas. So look, a 1/4 measuring cup. I've been eyeing it out, so I'll just go about halfway, not even half, maybe a quarter of heavy whipping cream. Use low-fat milk. My sugar-free French vanilla syrup, and this is less than that quarter, so I'll just I'm eyeing it out. I don't want it too sweet. Hear the rain. The rain is just getting crazy out there. So this is all it is inside, and this is actually a detachable magnetic. See, there it is. So I'm gonna place it on. I'm not too sure what that is, a plate, and I'm gonna cover it. So I didn't mention the first time, but there's two settings for this. You push it quick once and it's gonna make a frother for hot drinks, and if you hold it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, it turns blue. And so now it's gonna make my cream, the froth, it's gonna make it for a cold drink. Let me see it. Wow, that is cool, right? So simple and easy to use, but it's just a matter of me trying to get my flavor and the tasting correct as far as my drink, because girl, want to save some money, you know, just a heads up of how much money I've been spending on Starbucks. My drink that I get from Starbucks is a venti, and it has the sweet cream cold foam and an added shot, and it's a venti. I end up paying almost $9, close to $10. So if you times that about like 5 days a week, that's $50. I pretty much paid this Nespresso off in about a month used of making my own drink. So I think it's a good investment for me. Save money. Okay, it's done. Let's pull it off. Look at that. I probably could go a little bit more, but I like it like that. Ooh, and my cup, I think it's kind of clean enough. And grab my ice. Hold on. Some big ice cube block. I'll just put about 2 in there. Now let's pour it in. Okay, we're gonna pour my, it's warm coffee. Wow. And the frother. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. So my creamer didn't fall in all the way, but which is good because I got to taste the coffee by itself. It's ooh, this taste is a little, oh, I forgot. I think that's what I'm missing. Hold on. I forgot that my white chocolate sauce came in. Look how big it was. Look how big it is. Look how big it is. I'm gonna be making some coffee with white chocolate for the whole year, but I'm just gonna give it a squirt. Just one squirt. Okay. You guys, it's hard for me to describe what is in this caramel cookie.
It's raining.
Huh?
We gotta go, but it's raining.
We'll change and then you can go.
Oh no!
So yesterday I tried the vanilla custard and I like that very much. Today this caramel cookie, I don't know what it tastes like. Is it almond? Almost like a nutty flavor. And again, you know, I have the worst vocabulary for descriptions, so they're not my favorite, but I'm glad I got to try it. And I'm still getting my coffee for the day, and it's still delicious. It satisfied my cravings for coffee. And it's still raining. And I need to do something with my life right now. Okay. Back to reality. Life. Mommy duties.